welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So I am Purva and I welcome you all again in my channel Positivity and Happiness. It's a very beautiful and nice morning and very sunny morning here in Denmark. So I welcome you all, and also let's start today's video with a very happy and very positive note. So from today's video title, you already know that today's video is all about how to reduce belly fat. Yes, my friends, it's a stubborn belly fat that we all have to struggle to lose. But yes, with a very healthy diet plan, a high protein diet plan, and also with a very good exercise routine, with your motivation and dedication, definitely you will be able to lose your belly fat fast at home. And in this video, I'll share few belly fat loss drinks that will help you to boost your metabolism, that will make you stronger from inside. It will boost your immune system too. So these drinks are amazing, and within just 1 month you will start seeing the result. In fact, within just 1 or 2 weeks you will start seeing the result. So these drinks that I'll share with you all today. But yes, about the full day belly fat loss diet plan, I mean what you should eat, what you shouldn't eat whenever you are on your journey to lose your belly fat, that I'll share in another video. Otherwise this video will be too much long. But yes, in today's video I'll share few drinks recipes, amazing and magical drinks for losing belly fat. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video.
First, let's start with drink number 1. This magical cumin water or jeera water is very helpful to melt your stubborn belly fat. In 1 glass of water, you have to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and then you have to cover the lid and you have to keep it aside for overnight. Then in the next morning, you have to strain it and you have to drink this water. This is very simple to make. Now I'll explain how this magical drink helps to lose your stubborn belly fat. My friends, jeera is very helpful in suppressing hunger and also accelerating the fat burning process. Jeera helps you to boost your metabolism. Also, it boosts your digestive system. It's a rich source of anti-inflammatory antioxidants too. So this magical drink is very essential for losing belly fat. Now let's move into my second drink, that is fennel water. Again, it's a magical drink to cut your stubborn belly fat. You can make it very easily in your home. In the glass of water, you have to add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or sauf, and then you have to cover it and you have to keep it aside for overnight, and then in the next morning you have to strain it and you have to drink it in empty stomach. Fennel water or fennel seeds are traditionally very useful and very popular remedy to fight against indigestion and also to fight against bloating. Fennel helps detoxifying your body and thus it helps to lose your weight. Also, my friends, it boosts your metabolism and it will keep you fresh from your inside. Comes drink number 3 to cut your belly fat, and it's ajwain water. Yes, my friends, the same way you can make this water, you have to add 1 tablespoon of ajwain in this glass of water. You have to keep it aside overnight. Then in the next morning you have to strain it and you have to drink it in your empty stomach. Ajwain seeds or carom seeds are known to boost metabolism. Ajwain is very helpful in boosting your digestive system too, and also, my friends, it helps to absorb the food well, and due to less room for food storage, it ultimately leads to weight loss. So here my 3 magical drinks are ready with Indian spices. Now I'll show you 2 more. And now after showing you 3 Indian spiced water, now here comes my very popular infused water. This is drink number 4. And this is very easy to make. First of all, you have to take 1 liter of water that you can see I have already kept in this jug, and here I am cutting some lemon, also I am cutting some cucumber and ginger. So all these vegetables I have washed properly and now I have cut it. Yes, these are ready and my water is ready too. Here everything is ready, and now here you can see I have also taken few mint leaves. Yes, this is pudine ki patta or mint leaves. These are very popular and well known ingredients to lose your belly fat. Now I'll keep all these ingredients in this water, 1 liter of water that I already kept in this jug, and I'll make a infused water. Now I'll explain how it helps to lose your stubborn belly fat. My friends, cucumber are full of vitamin C and it's very effective to cleanse your body from inside. That's why people say if you can intake cucumber regularly, your skin will glow like anything, and also it will help to lose any extra fat from your body. Also my friends, for the high dietary fiber amount, it helps to detoxify your body very easily. Now ginger is also a superfood and a very popular fat burner food. Ginger increases blood circulation and also my friends, it boosts your metabolism. Ginger is really a superfood. It helps to control your blood sugar level. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, another superfood from our mother nature. It helps to boost your metabolism and also it will give a nice glow in your skin. Mint also keeps you fuller for longer period of time. This is a good property of mint and it suppresses appetite, and thus it's a miracle drink for your weight loss. So yes, here is your weight loss drink is ready. Yes, this magical infused water is absolutely ready. You can make it very easily with all the ingredients available in your kitchen. You can keep it aside overnight and in the next day you can have it throughout the day. This is very helpful. You can have it after all your meals. Comes the last fat cutter drink, which is again super popular and very famous and perfect for this winter season too. It's cinnamon, ginger and honey tea. In the boiling water you have to add some crushed ginger and few cinnamon sticks. Then for 3 to 4 minutes you have to boil this water. And after 3-4 minutes this tea is absolutely ready. Here you can see. Now I'll strain this water. Cinnamon is a very popular spice. It helps to reduce the blood sugar level. It controls the blood sugar level and also my friends, it reduces blood glucose level and thus it helps to reduce your overall fat and belly fat. And also I told you about ginger and its qualities. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of organic honey. You can add some lemon too in this tea. So yes, easily with these 3 very simple ingredients, cinnamon, honey and ginger, you can make this fat cutter drink. This is super helpful to lose your stubborn belly fat. So yeah, this way you can see very easily you can make all these fat cutter drinks, metabolism boosting drinks in your kitchen super easily to lose your belly fat. Yes my friends, weight loss is a journey. Weight loss needs some dedication and motivation, and I'm sure with proper diet and with proper planning you can definitely able to reach your goal. And here is my 5 super special belly fat cutter drinks. So I hope you have enjoyed my today's video my friends. This is a highly requested video in my channel. These 5 magical super drinks will definitely help you to lose your belly fat really fast at your home. Please do try it and please let me know. Within 2 to 3 weeks you will start seeing your result, and please do let me know in the comment section. And lastly, I want to request you all to please subscribe to my channel. Those who have not yet, please share your positive feedback with me in the comment section, and also keep smiling, stay happy, stay positive. I'll see you guys super soon. Tata, bye bye, love you.